Today, we will be learning about expanded noun phrases. To take part in this lesson, you'll need some resources. You'll need some paper and a pencil or a pen. We've done lots of work on expanded noun phrases before in class. Can you remember what an expanded noun phrase is? Pause the video so that you can have some thinking time. Let's think together about what the words expanded, noun, and phrase mean. A noun is the word used to name a person, place, idea, or thing. We use many different types of words within sentences, and they all have different jobs. Every sentence must contain a noun. Can you spot the noun in this sentence? Let's read it together. The trees are getting bushier and bushier. Have you spotted the noun in this sentence? Well done. The noun in this sentence is trees. Now we are going to think about what a phrase is. Let's read the sentence again together. The trees are getting bushier and bushier. In this sentence, the trees is a noun phrase. Remember that a phrase is not a sentence. Phrases are groups of words that usually form part of a sentence. When we expand something, we make it larger. We use adjectives to create expanded noun phrases. Remember, an adjective is a describing word. They are very important when we're creating expanded noun phrases because we're describing the noun with extra detail. I've created an expanded noun phrase within this sentence by adding an adjective before the noun trees. Have you spotted the adjective that I've added? Well done. The adjective is tall. In this sentence, the tall trees is an expanded noun phrase. Let's read these expanded noun phrases together. Can you spot the noun within each phrase? The purple jumper, a tiny mouse, my naughty sister, a strong angry giant, the crafty ginger cat, a beautiful old church. Now you'll need to get your resources ready. Do you have your paper and pencil? Pause the video and start it again when you're ready to write. I would like you to copy the phrases and underline the noun that is being described each time. Now, let's tick or fix. Did you spot the noun in each expanded noun phrase? Can you spot the adjectives too? Did you notice that in some of the phrases, there are two adjectives to describe the noun? Well done. Can you spot the expanded noun phrase within each sentence? Let's have a look together. I would like a crunchy green apple. In this sentence, the noun is apple. The writer has chosen the adjectives crunchy and green to describe the apple. The expanded noun phrase within this sentence is crunchy green apple. We played in the muddy wet field. In this sentence, the noun is field. The writer has chosen the adjectives muddy and wet to describe the field. The expanded noun phrase within this sentence is muddy wet field. I wear my warm fluffy scarf when it snows. In this sentence, the writer has chosen the adjectives warm and fluffy to describe the noun scarf. The expanded noun phrase within this sentence is warm fluffy scarf. Did you notice that in the expanded noun phrases that you have been spotting, the description came before the noun every time? Writers don't always do this, and often the description can come after the noun. This is still an expanded noun phrase. It still gives us extra detail and description about the noun. Let's read these examples together. The apple with the crunchy green skin. A field with muddy wet soil. The naughty dog on the lead. Can you spot how the writer has given us extra information after the noun? Well done. Let's practice putting an expanded noun phrase into a sentence. Remember, in a sentence, something must be happening. Sentences must always have a noun and a verb. They begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. The punctuation mark may be a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark depending on what type of sentence you are writing. I have used the expanded noun phrase, the naughty dog on the lead, to create the question sentence. Have you seen the naughty dog on the lead running away from his owner? Because I am asking something, I have finished my sentence with a question mark. I have also made sure to start my sentence with a capital letter. Let's have a look at another expanded noun phrase. The apple with the crunchy green skin. This time, I'm going to explain in my sentence how the apple tasted. I have created the sentence, the apple with the crunchy green skin was delicious. I have started my sentence with a capital letter and I have finished my sentence with a full stop. The verb in my sentence is was. Now it's your turn. Can you put each expanded noun phrase into a sentence? Remember to use accurate sentence punctuation. You'll need a capital letter to start each sentence, and you might need a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark depending on the type of sentence that you choose to write. Perhaps you would like to try a star challenge today. Can you write some sentences to describe the beach scene? Remember to use some expanded noun phrases in your writing. I've written one to start you off.